9 Ultimate Exercises for Bubble-Shaped Buttocks. A flat backside isn't something that looks sexy in either a swimsuit or skinny jeans. Start doing these exercises to get the body of your dreams. You don't need to sign up for a gym to build a butt like Kim Kardashian's. Solution provider gathered 9 exercises to help you get an impressive bubble-shaped butt. 9. Curtsy. Take a wide step backward and to the side toward the supporting leg, as shown in the picture. Sit and bend the knee of the supporting leg. The knee shouldn't go past your toes. Stand up and straighten the legs. Repeat 15 times and do 2 sets on each leg. 8. Kettlebell squat. You can use a heavy water bottle instead of a kettlebell. Bend the knees, as shown in the picture, and do an incomplete squat. Keep your back straight and lean forward to the floor. Feel the tension in your buttocks. Stand up. Repeat 15 times and do 2 sets. 7. Deadlift. You can use a heavy water bottle instead of a barbell. Bend the knees a little bit. Keep your back straight and lean forward as shown in the picture. Feel the tension in your buttocks. Stand up. Repeat 15 times and do 2 sets. 6. High knees. Raise your left knee up and feel the tension in your right buttock. Repeat 25 times and do 2 sets on each leg. 5. Step up. Step up with your right and left leg, one after the other. Raise your right knee high up and feel the tension in your left buttock. Repeat 20 times and do 2 sets on each leg. 4. Leg up plank. Get in a plank position as shown in the picture. Raise your left leg. Hold this position for 2 seconds. Repeat 15 times and do 2 sets on each leg. 3. Double leg kick. Lie face down. Pull your abs in. Keep your legs together. Lift your belly away from the floor or mat. Extend your arms behind you. Lift your legs off the floor. Repeat 30 times and do 2 sets. 2. Fingers to toes. Get on all fours as shown in picture A. Lift your right arm and left leg, touching your toes. Repeat 15 times and do 2 sets on each leg. 1. Single leg bridge. Lying on your back, extend your arms by your side. Bend your knees so that your feet are under the knees. Raise your right leg and hips up. Repeat 20 times and do 2 sets on each leg. Bonus 1. To achieve better results, scrub your legs and buttocks daily. Recipe for a coffee salt scrub. Mix 100 grams of ground coffee with 100 grams of salt, 1 tablespoon of olive or avocado oil and 2-3 drops of orange essential oil. Keep it in the fridge. Use it after training or add it to your daily routine. Bonus 2. Some more tricks for your buttocks. Take contrast showers. Eat more protein and healthy fats, avocado, fish, etc. Don't sit with your legs crossed. Massage yourself with a dry brush. Drink more water. Sleep well. Which exercise did you like the most? Will you include them in your workout? Share your thoughts with us in the comments.